Imagine a world where your hairstyle could literally decide your social status, your job, and even your romantic prospects. Welcome to Edo-period Japan, where the art of hairstyling was more than just beauty. It was a social code deeply woven into the fabric of society. Back then, samurai, merchants, and peasants all had distinct hairstyles that told a story about their place in society and their role within it. Take the samurai, for example. They rocked the kanmaj, a top knot that wasn't just a fashion statement, but a symbol of honor, discipline, and warrior status. This hairstyle also served practical purposes, like keeping their helmets in place during battle. Meanwhile, merchant classes had their own unique cuts, often simpler and less ostentatious, signaling their economic role and adherence to societal expectations. Peasants, on the other hand, typically wore their hair plainly, reflecting their humble status and labor-intensive lives. But here's the twist. Women's hairstyles were even more complex and telling. Geishas, the iconic entertainers and cultural icons, wore elaborate styles adorned with intricate pins, combs, and ornaments, each element carefully chosen to symbolize their experience, rank, and even the season or occasion. These hairstyles were not just about aesthetics. They were a living language conveying messages about age, profession, and social standing. Young apprentice geishas, called maiko, sported more flamboyant and colorful hair arrangements, while fully fledged geishas opted for more subdued elegance. This practice was so deeply entrenched in Edo society that changing your hairstyle without permission was considered a serious offense and could lead to social ostracism or even legal consequences. Hairstyles became a form of social control, a subtle yet powerful way for the government and society to maintain order and hierarchy without the need for words. It reinforced the rigid class structure and helped everyone instantly recognize where they stood in the social ladder. It's wild to think that something as simple as how you wear your hair could dictate your entire life path, from your profession and social circle to your marriage prospects and reputation. In Edo, Japan, your hairstyle was more than just a personal choice. It was a public declaration of identity and status. So next time you pick a hairstyle, ask yourself, what story are you telling the world? What does your hair say about who you are or who you want to be? And imagine, just for a moment, if your hair could actually shape your destiny, just like it did in Edo, Japan. In a way, even today, our choices and style communicate volumes about us, our culture, our values, and our place in the world. Hair isn't just hair. It's a powerful symbol, a silent language that speaks to those who know how to listen.